How to remove animation in Google Slides. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can remove animations in Google Slides, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Google Slides account, just like I have done here. Then open up the Google Slide presentation containing the animation that you want to remove. So after opening the presentation, select the slide with the animation, and then once you've done that, um, move to the top part of the screen. You see the option transition. So in case you cannot find this on your own presentation, even if the object that you select or the slide that you selected as the animation, just go to the top part of the screen where you can see the option slide in between format and arrange, and then click on it. Then in the options there, you will see the option transition. So just click on that. Then after doing that, move to the right side, you'll see a panel that is displaying the animation of the particular slide. So in order to remove it, just click on the slide transition option, and then you see the particular size transition option. Click on that. All right. Then after clicking on it, select it, and you'll see options, different options like dissolve, fade, etc. Just go ahead and click on none. And once you've done that, the presentation, the slides and the animation will be removed automatically. Okay, and there will be no more animation in that particular slide. So go ahead and try it for as many slides that has as many animations as possible. Thank you, and have a good day.